was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he had almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinity series, and continued fractions, including solution to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. Ramanujan initially developed his own mathematical research isolation. According to the Hans Enig, he tried to interest the leading professional mathematicians in his work, but failed for the most time. What he had to show them was too novel, too unfamiliar, and additionally presented in an unusual way. They could not be bothered, seeking mathematicians who could better understand his work. In 1913, he began a postal partnership with the English mathematician G. H. Hardy at the University of Cambridge, England. Recognizing Ramanujan's work as extraordinary, Hardy arranged for him to travel to Cambridge. In his notes, Hardy commented that Ramanujan had produced groundbreaking new theorems, including some that defeated me completely. I had never seen anything in the least like him before, and some recently proven but highly advanced results.
Shakuntala Devi was an Indian writer and mental calculator, probably known as human computer. She strove to simplify numerical calculations for students. Her talent earned her a place in the Guinness Book of World Record.
The great 7th century Indian mathematician and astronomer Brahmagupta wrote some important works on both mathematics and astronomy. He was from the state of Rajasthan of northwest India. Brahmagupta explained how to find the cube and cube root of an integer and gave rules facilitating the computation of square and square roots. He also gave rules for dealing with 5 types of combination of fractions.
An abacus is very old tool used in maths. It is still used in some parts of world. Sometimes blind people can use abacus because they can fill number easily. The most common abacus work by moving on beat of road. Abacus can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. People can use them to find square and root of whole number.
Aryabhatta was the first Indian mathematician and astronomer. He had immense knowledge in the field of mathematics. Moreover, he did not discover during his era. For instance, some of them were the discoveries of zero, algebraic identities, trigonometrical functions, the value of pi, place value system, etc.
Let us know some interesting and amazing facts about mathematics. 0 is the only number which cannot be represented by any Roman numerals. From 0 to 1000, the letter A comes for the first time in the spelling of 1000. The opposite sides of a dice add up to 7. For example, 6 and 1 are always in the opposite sides of dice which add up to 7. The letter B comes for the first time in the spelling of billion. The letter C does not come in the entire English counting. The letter D comes for the first time in the spelling of 100. The letter A, B, C and D does not come in the spelling of 0 to 99. Last but not the least, 9 is considered to be the magical number. If you multiply a number by 9 and add both the digits of that number, you will get 9 only. Thank you.
The topic of my poem is mathematics. I love mathematics and I love to learn. Mathematics is full of fun. Profits are added while losses are subtracted. Degrees are multiplied and percentage is divided. Algebra has a big history. Geometry is full of mystery. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is like a building toy. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like the dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Dividing fraction easy as pie. Flip the second fraction, then multiply. If I do ample practice, I will probably one day achieve my goal, and I seriously have to improve because math plays a significant role. And don't forget to simplify because it's time to say goodbye.
Dear students, mathematics is the cradle of all the creation in the world, without which we cannot move an inch. Either be a cook or a farmer, a painter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a dancer or an artist. Everyone uses maths in their life. Even insects and animals uses maths in their life for existence. Since morning to night we use maths, but sometimes we are aware, sometimes we are not aware. Let me give you an example of calendar. You can see the numbers are here, but they are arranged in a magical order. If you will add these cross numbers, you will get some equal. For example, 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. 8 plus 2, that is also equal to 10. 11 and 19, that is equal to 30. 18 and 12, that is also equal to 30. One more thing, if we will have 3 rows and 3 columns, then center number will be always average of all the numbers. 17 plus 3, average will 20, average will be 10. 11 and 9, average will be 10. So my dear student, I just want to tell you that try to implement the maths in practical life. Maths is like a structure, like a building. If you want your building strong, then you need to have a strong foundation. And for maths, foundation is basic concepts. And for improving maths, you need concentration. Concentration is the key for the success. I just want to give few tips for concentration. Create a good study environment. Plan your study well in advance. Be regular and avoid distracting things. So dear students, maths also teaches us the lesson of life. Maths teaches us how to aid love in the life, how to subtract hate from the life, and it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Thank you so much. Have a Learning National Mathematics Day.